And welcome to Maya. There's obviously a lot going on here, but don't worry too much. Once we've gone through some of the features and broken it up a bit, it'll be a lot less intimidating. So here at the top we've got a shelf with a lot of different things going on, but what I want you to click on is polymodeling. Now these shapes here, these are called the basic primitives, and they're what you will build your models out of generally. So let's go ahead and just create a basic sphere. Just click on it once. Now if you scroll with the mouse button, you can zoom in. Now we've created a basic sphere, and you can see that it's highlighted in green so that you can see the geometry. You can deselect just by clicking anywhere else in the viewport, and you can reselect by clicking on the object. Now these tools here are different types of selection tools. Don't worry too much about those. We're going to go ahead and look at these tools here. These tools are how you manipulate the object in 3D space. So this is the transform tool, and when I click on it with the object selected, these little arrows will appear with this little gizmo. Now if you hold down one of the arrows, you can move the object in 3D space. You can move it up and down, just hold onto the arrow and lift it up and down with your mouse. Now I'm just going to turn this grid off because it's sometimes useful, but it's just getting in the way for now. The next tool is this tool. This is the rotate tool. So we'll click on that, just click back on our object. Now this is a slightly different gizmo. It has these circular lines, and you can use that to rotate the object. You've got to hold down on one of these lines and you can move it in 3D space. Fairly easy. The next object is the scale tool. Now you can scale it from the center, and that will evenly scale your object, or you can scale it from one of these points. Now if you hit Z, you can undo. Now the next thing I'm going to show you is how to navigate in 3D space. I'm actually going to turn that grid back on. Now, in order to navigate, you want to hold down Command on a Mac or Alt on Windows, and you want to also hold down your left mouse button, and you can use your mouse to tumble in 3D space. Now, still holding down the Command or the Alt, you can press the middle button, and you can use this to track or pan in 3D space. And the last move that we've already done is you don't need to hold on to Command anymore. You can just scroll, and that zooms in and out. The other tool that's useful for navigating 3D space, if you've lost your object somehow, you've gone off into the wilderness, you can just hit A, and that'll reframe your scene. Now I want you to have a go yourself. Try creating a sphere, moving it, rotating it, scaling it. Try navigating in 3D space. That's tumbling, tracking, and zooming. Once you've got used to these features, we'll then come back and learn some modelling techniques.